Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 10 update error code is 800F0922 or other updating errors. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, in the search box type a services. Open a services, find out a Windows update services. Now here is the Windows update. Open it and make sure that it's selected a automatic. Select automatic, click start button, apply and OK button, and restart the services. Close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that going to your settings of your Windows, go to your update and security, go to your troubleshoot, click on a additional troubleshoots, click on Windows update and run the troubleshooter. After that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. After completing that, type a command is dism dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. After completing that, type a exit and close the command prompt and restart your computer. And after restarting your computer, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening a command, type a net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. After completing that, type a command is net space stop space bits and press enter. After that, type a command is net space stop space crypt svc and press enter. After that, type a command is ren space c dot forward slash windows backslash software distribution space software distribution.old and press enter. After that, type a command is ren runs c dot column forward slash windows forward slash system32 forward slash cat2 space cat2.old and press enter. After doing this, that type a command is net space start space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space bits. After that, type a command is net space start space crypt svc and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your any browser, open a search engine and type a Windows 10 download. Click on first link is Windows 10 disk image. After opening that, click on create installation media to download now. Click on save button. After completing that, open it. Click on accept button. After that, select upgrade this PC now and click on next button. When you click on the next button, it's required for a few hours to complete the process. The process will be started, and after a few hours your computer completing the process automatically restart, and after restarting that, I'm sure that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.